amazing facts about human body. The concept of mate poaching is seen in human behavioral psychology and indicates that some individuals are attracted to and pursue others who are already in a relationship, often driven by the allure of a forbidden romance and competition. In social settings, individuals often unconsciously adopt the posture, speech patterns, and behaviors of those they are attracted to, a phenomenon known as behavioral synchrony, demonstrating a nonverbal form of flirtation or alignment. According to the theory of embodied cognition, our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are deeply intertwined with our physical actions. This implies that body language not only reflects, but can also dictate our attraction and mood. The color red has been consistently found to have a profound impact on attraction, as it is associated with passion and desire, leading individuals to be perceived as more attractive when wearing or surrounded by red. Psychologists have observed what is known as the attractiveness halo effect, where people tend to assume that individuals who are physically attractive are also more likely to possess other positive personality traits, such as kindness or intelligence. Eye movement can reveal a significant amount about what a person is thinking and feeling. For instance, people tend to look up and to the right when recalling a memory, and down and to the right when constructing thoughts or feelings. The phenomenon of emotional contagion describes the rapid spread of emotions among people in groups, explaining why people can feel an upswing in mood and excitement in energetic social gatherings or events. Research has shown that pheromones, or chemical signals emitted by the human body, play a role in sexual attraction by signaling genetic compatibility to potential mates through scent, even though humans aren't always consciously aware of these olfactory messages. Couples tend to have similar levels of attractiveness, a trend explained by the matching hypothesis in social psychology, which posits that people typically select partners whose social desirability roughly equals their own. Attraction can be heightened in situations that induce adrenaline, such as during exciting or dangerous activities. This is sometimes referred to as misattribution of arousal, where the excitement is attributed to the person present rather than the situation. In social psychology, the phenomenon of social proof indicates that individuals look to others to determine correct behavior. This can also influence attraction, as seeing others interested in a person can increase that person's perceived desirability. Personal affairs, secrets, or confidential information shared between two people can create an invisible bond and deepen trust, sometimes fueling romantic and sexual tension that might not otherwise be present. Narcissistic individuals may initially be perceived as highly attractive due to their charm, confidence, and perceived high status, traits that often wane in appeal over the duration of a relationship as their self-centered nature becomes evident. Sexual attraction and romantic love activate different areas of the brain. Lust triggers the desire centers, while love lights up the regions associated with bonding and attachment. Experiencing a romantic rejection can initiate a process called frustration attraction, where the rejectee becomes more infatuated and obsessed with the person who rejected them. The act of expressing gratitude has been shown to increase oxytocin levels in the brain, leading some to suggest it could strengthen romantic relationships by promoting feelings of trust and intimacy. Humans are capable of forming so-called parasocial relationships with characters from books, television, or other media, unilateral attachments where one party invests emotionally in a relationship that the other party is unaware of. Attachment theory suggests that early relationships with caregivers shape future romantic relationships, with secure, anxious, or avoidant attachments in childhood potentially predicting adult relationship dynamics. Girls prefer older men because they remind them of their father, a concept stemming from Freud's Oedipus complex, which suggests that childhood relationships with parents influence one's adult romantic preferences.